hiccups. Oh god, dang it. No! The storm is so fast. Oh, come on. Stop. I'm suffering. Guys, I have a chopper. No!
This is already bad.
I am here, waiting.
Oh, I forgot about the supply drop. Oh no.
Come on. Oh, okay. I need to heal.
This is why we never go to Shark Peeps.
Oh, you can use the bathroom. I was waiting for you.
We're already half.
Come here.
Oh my god. That was a very close situation.
Come. Marvel. I hate myself. Thank you. Maya, I know, I can't help it. I'm just having hiccups. Baby. I'm sorry. I can't. I'm scared to drink now. Stop!
Second circles of 5 minutes.
I can't even laugh.
Amazing, right?
Please make it stop. Don't you want to farm?
We only have an extra 4 minutes.
I'm sorry, I can't stop the hiccups. Where is my sugar? Maya thinks that I'm not okay. Not okay because she just sits next to me. Maya, I'm okay. I'm okay. Kind of. Hi Timu. I'm gonna try to avoid talking until I stop hiccuping. Having hiccups. I had this problem since I was in school, and I would have hiccups in class. The teachers would get annoyed that I have hiccups, like something I can't control, and they would tell me to go and like have water, and water wouldn't help me. Me knees.
Why, here's some.
Wait, I thought I took the minis. Do you have minis?
Yeah, I need like
How often? Every day. Eat water. Water doesn't help with my hiccups. Okay, Maya, I'm gonna go take a sugar. People.
People self-worth.